What is up, Mechanuts? Gunplabro here with another Gunpla video for you. Today we are looking at the Gundam Base exclusive mobile doll made Gundam Base color version. This kit was provided to me by my sponsor, Side7Exports.com. Visit the site to check out their inventory and use my coupon code Gunplabro10 to get 10% off your next purchase. I am a big fan of these Gundam waifu kits. Not because of the character herself, but because of the potential for other characters Bandai can introduce to this line. I know a horde of weebs who would line up to give wads of cash for 0079 and IBO figure kits, and not just waifus from the build series. So come on Bandai, open those gates dudes, let the waifu money flow like spice. The people want it, you want money, and why the hell not? Comment down below with what pilots and waifus you would like to see turned into a model kit. I personally want Sailor Mass. Come on Bandai. This kit comes with 2 fat sticker and decal sheets and a smaller sticker sheet for the Gundam Base decals on her hair and arm. These stickers were relatively pain-free to apply and look good on the kit out of the box. No real complaints here. The articulation is good, the colors are good, the mode is excellent. She looks just like the character in the anime, and that is all that matters. One nice thing that bears mentioning is the build is entirely plastic, so it is unlikely to get floppy on you. No polycaps here at all. The accessories are also great. She comes with some dazzling beam effects, and a beam shield in this very unique custom color. I love this shade of blue for the beams, and these would be amazing for a custom kit down the road. You also get 3 real style faces, 1 shocked expression, 1 neutral or frowning expression, and 1 gentle smiling expression. These look great and come with water slides for the eyes. These go on easy enough? Just use Mark Setter if you have it. They tend not to stick well on the surface of the face. She also comes with 2 beam pistols, but these are pretty bland looking and I'm not a big fan of them. I leave them attached to the holsters on her legs. That is really all I have to say about this kit. It was a fun build, and I hope Bandai expands this lineup to feature other characters from other Gundam shows, for us to build and pose next to their mobile suits. If you like the content, please subscribe. At 1,000 subs, I'm giving away a perfect grade Zaku too. Bye.